But we're gonna have 11 players to play tomorrow, and if player A, B, or C cannot play, Selamat sore. Well, our preparation as usually we make what normally we try to make, recover from the last match, analyze opponent team, see from our players who have more conditions to play this match and prepare the game. Normally, is this what we do. About opponent team, strong team. Against Bersiap, the champion, they have many chances to can win the game. Against Borneo, that are on second position on the league, they win. So also, if we're going to see the history, PSM Makassar, last time that win here on Samarinda was on 2018, so it's 7 years to 2 years. So it's going to be a difficult match. I saw that the environment here on the new stadium with the supporters from Borneo is good. So I hope that tomorrow can be a good environment and that our team can make a good game.
Good afternoon. Our preparation is, like the coach say, is the same. We make our recovery and we make our strategy for the match tomorrow. We know it's going to be a hard game. The Borneo have a very good team, but PSM also want to continue on this way. We come from 2 victories, so we want to make another victory, stay on this positive way. So tomorrow we will try to do our best for continue on this good way.
Tanya berapa pemain yang baru ke Samarinda, kemudian gimana kondisi pemain, karena ada mungkin beberapa pemain yang mungkin absen besok karena akumulasi, mungkin ada yang cedera, gimana ini pendapatnya?
Well, we have many players injured and some players that came are not 100%. So we're gonna training after, let's see how they're gonna be, and after tomorrow we're gonna see and check the condition of these players. Some of the players get injured on this week, on the middle, but we bring, because we don't have too much players. Also, as you say, there are players that, because have yellow card, cannot play. But we're going to have 11 players to play tomorrow. And if player A, B, or C cannot play, other player going to play. And this must be our focus. The focus must be on the players that can play and not on the players that cannot play. This is why PSM Makassar not make a contract with just 11 players, make a contract with more players. So there are important players that cannot play tomorrow, but there is opportunity for other players can play.